Howdy, y'all, and welcome to my shop. Join my family and me as we build projects and go on adventures. My name is Waylon, and this is Muddy Turtle Motors. Hi everyone, welcome back to the shop. Today, instead of a build, I wanted to share some footage from a ride day part of the family and I had back on December 6, 2019. But to understand why this is such a great memory for me, I need to tell you a little story first. When I was a kid, I was lucky enough to have a bunch of great role models in my life that I could look up to and aspire to be like. My grandpa was one of those role models. He was a Shriner and a Mason, and I spent a lot of time working with him in his shop, learning how to use tools and doing various other projects. He was an inspiration in my life, and to me, getting to see him drive his Red Racer parade car was always one of the coolest things ever. I wanted to do that too. I wanted to drive a Red Racer and be a Shriner and put smiles on all those people's faces who come out to see us drive those funny little cars. And one day, a few years ago, I achieved that goal and joined the Shriners and obtained one of those funny little cars. I took that car completely apart and rebuilt it, getting it ready to use, and I put a lot of hard work and love into that car. The sad part was that I took too long to do it, and my grandpa wasn't there to see it. But one beautiful day in December, I proudly got to share what I had built with my parents and kids on a day of riding in their backyard. I was so excited to share what I had built because I had poured so much of myself into that project. It was, at that time, beyond any skill or ability that I had. I had dreamt of achieving that goal for so long, and I had finally done it, and it made me feel like I had made Mom and Dad proud. They got to have fun driving something that I built and worked on for them, for other people. It was such a great day. We spent the afternoon just riding around and had dinner later that evening. The footage really isn't that great, but the memory is still as sweet. Sadly, we lost Mom in 2020. And so I'm sharing this memory here as a memorial of that really great day, December 6, 2019. Thank you for letting me share this with you. Now let's go. There goes Grammy on the racer. We're gonna get him. Wave! Wave! You want to trade? Let's trade. Papa's in the racer, Grammy's in the side-by-side, and Bugadoo is driving. Yeah. Ava, get us out of the way. Go, baby. Watch out for trees. Whoa! Easy, Ava, easy, easy. There goes Papa. There's Granny up there. Slow down in the corner. Slow down, go in the corner. Here goes Papa. Catch up, Papa. Easy, Ava, slow down. There you go. There you go.
There goes Bubba. Whoa, we're going fast. There we go, there we go. All right, you're gonna slow down. We're gonna pull it next to Papa. Next to him, Go, go. Easy, stop. There you go.
Yeah.